In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background in Google Meet on mobile. First, open the Google Meet app on your phone. Make sure your app is up to date so you see the latest background options, and allow camera permissions if prompted, since the preview needs your camera to show the effect in real time. You'll land on the preview screen before you enter a meeting, where you can check your video and audio. Before you join, look for the effects or background icon. It looks like a small person with a star or sparkle in the corner, usually near the camera and microphone controls on the preview screen. This is where you can adjust how your background appears. Tap that icon to open the effects panel. Give it a second to load. On some devices, it may take a moment for the options to display. Now you can choose the look you want. If you prefer something subtle and professional, pick a light blur to softly hide the background while keeping you in focus. Need more privacy? Use a stronger blur for a cleaner separation. If you want a bit more personality or a themed look, explore the static images and the animated or 360-degree scenes. These can place you in a virtual environment for a creative touch. For workplace or classroom settings, the professional backgrounds provide tidy, office-style scenes that feel polished without being distracting. As you tap each option, you'll see a live preview so you can judge the effect before you join. If you notice a small download arrow on a background, tap it once and let it finish downloading. After that, it will apply instantly. Keep in mind that animated and 360-degree effects can use more battery and processing power, so if your device feels slow or you want to conserve power, choose blur or a simple static background. Good lighting helps your camera separate you from the background more cleanly, so face a light source if you can for the best result. When you're happy with how it looks, close the effects panel to return to the preview. Your choice is saved and will appear when you enter the meeting. You can come back to the same icon anytime to switch effects or turn them off. If you don't see certain options, it may be due to your device's capabilities or settings managed by your organization. That's it. Open Google Meet, tap the background icon before you join, and pick the effect that fits the moment. With the right choice, you'll look clear, polished, and ready for your call.